All right, so we're starting the Supercharger build, and first we got everything laid out on the floor. We're doing an inventory check because we want to make sure that we have everything, and like we're not halfway through the build and we're like missing one part, and then we have to order it, and that's gonna take like who knows how long if it's shipping from Japan. So it should be not easy, but very doable. So based on the installation guide, there's a bunch of different steps, and we put each step in organized. So each part we need for that step is in a box, and we're from step 3, where we start adding parts, all the way to step 9. So everything's organized. This instruction manual is pretty thorough. There's all these little things you kind of like cut off and shave to make room for all this stuff. They're like shaved like this much off of like this bracket. It's very, very specific. So we're gonna be doing a lot of cutting. Alright, so we just finished up cutting all this stuff and making clearance for the Supercharger and all the piping and all the coolers and brackets and stuff. So now we can finally put the Supercharger on, or at least mock it up, and then start building everything from there. Alright, Supercharger is installed. Looks a little bit smaller now that it's in this big engine bay. But dipstick's on, it's all done up. We gotta put this AC condenser to finish the belt. But now we're gonna move on to the intercooler. Okay, so the Supercharger is installed, as well as the intercooler. We got a bunch more stuff to install still yet that we're gonna be working on. So check back next Thursday, and hopefully we'll have this thing finished up.